Hey there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampinup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's card features products from the Sale-A-Bration promotion from Stampin UP. This is the Sale-A-Bration brochure and it runs through from the 5th of January to the 28th of February 2023. I'm going to be using this beautiful paper here, the Favoured Flowers 12 by 12 designer series paper. Now this is a free paper when you make a qualifying purchase from now up until the end of February. Your purchase needs to be to the value of $110 or more New Zealand, and you can choose from any of the items that are in here. There's so many fabulous products in here, but this particular one coordinates with a previous stamp set that I featured on a video, which is the Favoured Flowers bundle, that one there. So with this particular bundle, this paper works beautifully with the dies out of this bundle. I made this card previously, and the little pocket holder that I've got here will fit a card inside it. So I've coordinated the same design of stamps to go in there. So we're just going to make the pocket holder. You could put a gift card in there, or actually would fit a gift, a nice gift in there. You could actually get a nice little scarf to pop in there. It would actually be quite nice. So this is a previous video that I've done. So if you have a look on my channel, you will see this particular video, just preceding this one actually. And yeah, I hope that you like what we're going to make. There's no stamping, it's just some die cutting. So let me show you a piece of this paper. This is one of the sheets of paper in here. It's all floral and geometric patterns. And the actual die from the Favoured Flowers set will actually cut these out. So there's a larger one and there's a smaller one. And on this paper you've got a selection, either the Gorgeous Grape, I think this colour is, and then Calypso Coral and some Petal Pink. Let me tell you what colourways are in here. The colourways that are in here are Blackberry Bliss actually, Calypso Coral, Even Evergreen, Fresh Freesia, Mossy Meadow and Petal Pink, and of course the basic black background. So yeah, really dramatic colours. So I've gone ahead already and cut out one of these from the paper. So there it is there. They cut out perfectly. This die works so well. Oh, that's the other side of the paper as well, so the geometric designs. So that one's already gone ahead and been cut out. Let's just pop these away. I'll put a link to all of these products in the description bar below. So I'm using this really striking one, the Blackberry Bliss. That's what the other side is. Even that side's beautiful as well. So I just felt that on the outside with that was just a little bit much. So let me show you how I made this. Pop everything out of the way. Bring in your stamping trimmer. So you're going to have cut your paper down to 7.5 by 10, and you're going to have a strip of paper for the band, and that one measures 2.5 by 7. So with your larger piece, the 10 by 7.5, you're going to score the bottom. So on the short side, so that's the 7.5 side, just score the bottom of it, get that cutting blade out of the way, and come into your 1-inch mark here and just score. Whoops. I was just double checking I had the right blade. Yep, I have. Okay, so that's the bottom of the bag. Turn it round to the long side and score it at the 2.5 mark. I'll put all of these dimensions in the bottom of the description bar of the video, and then let's pull that out and then come along to the 7-inch mark and score again. So it was 2.5 and 7. That one out of the way, and with your paper snips or your scissors, just go to grab my paper snips. Actually, we'll just fold these first. So quite hard to see on that dark colour. Very dramatic colours. I really, really love them. Very bold. Kind of wintry, even though where I am in the world it's very much summer. Right, so we're going to cut away this square and this one. Those two are going to be cut away completely. So cut up here your vertical up to the landscape one, and then just cut that one completely off. So my suggestion is that you cut above where you've made that score mark, so it will close up nicely. And then over to the other side, cut up to that horizontal, and then just cut above the score line. Oops. And then just wedge these in. It's super crooked cutting. Oh dear. Oh. Please don't cut as badly as I just did then. Get out of the way. Alright, so all that's going to happen now is these are going to fold over and this will come up here. You won't see my terrible cutting anyway. So some Stampin' Seal, Stampin' Seal Plus, whatever your preferred adhesive is, just down there. Fold it over, give it a burnish, come along, pop some seal in here, close it up, and it's done. Now I have made a little tick mark there with my with one of the retired punches. You don't have to do this. I'm just guessing. I'm just going to take a good old eyeballing guess there. Yeah, that works. Okay. Right. Now for the band. This is the opposite side of the other paper. It's still pretty, isn't it? It's so pretty. What I'm going to do is wrap it round. And straighten it up. I'm actually going to secure it. You can have it loose, but I actually want it to be, I don't want it moving around, so I'll put a little bit of tape there just to hold it down. And go. Yeah. And there it is. Now this is going to, your cutout design will go onto here, whichever way you want it to go. I've used the Evening Evergreen to bring out that colour there of the evergreen. This one I'm actually going to make it with, use my soft succulent. This is the ribbon, sorry, this is ribbon from last year's in colours actually, but it carried over. So I do love this ribbon because it's so sheer. So I actually think I quite like the contrasting colour, and yeah, it's really pretty ribbon. So I'm going to actually get my ribbon in place first, my bow in place first, then I can make sure I've got my image in the right spot. Oops, it's all twisted at the back. I know, I want it to be right. Let's just get that correct. Here we go. I might just need to move it slightly that way. I like it with the softer colour. Let's see, is that going to work? Let's have a little look. Do we like it? I like it. Go. Trim that off, and I'm actually going to put a little glue dot just underneath that ribbon at the back, just to secure it down. It doesn't move around. You don't have to do that. Just there we go. Pop one underneath there if you needed to, but I don't think we need to. And then our pop some dimensionals on the back. Should be enough. Easy, easy, easy to make. You could easily, if you didn't want to do any stamping, make a card that goes inside it using one of the other, another die cut from this one. So yeah, it's such a, isn't that pretty? I think that's really pretty. So there it is with the Evening Evergreen, and there I've done it with the Soft Succulent. To be honest, I really do like them both, and certainly against, whoops, the background of that very bold Blackberry Bliss cardstock. And there you have it. I have popped a link to all the products I've listed in the description bar below. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, stampingmary, M-E-R-R-Y @gmail.com. Thank you so much and have a great day.